Here is how to read charts on TradingView, step by step for beginners. First, go to tradingview.com or open the TradingView app and log in. On the home page, search for the asset you want, like crypto, for example. Let's choose Bitcoin, for example. Scroll a bit down and click Launch Full Chart View. The chart opens with candlesticks by default. Each candlestick shows price movement over a set time frame, whether it's 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. A green candle means price went up, and a red candle means price went down. The body shows opening and closing prices, while the wicks shows highs and lows. From here, you can change the time frame: 1 minute, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year. This is just how much price data each candle represents. On the left, you'll see drawing tools, trend lines, support resistance levels, and more. Here on the top, you'll see the volume bars, which shows how much you traded at each candle. Higher bars mean higher trading activity. You can also add indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands from the Indicators tab at the top. These help predict trends, momentum, and volatility. Zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the chart layout to your preference. And that's how you read charts on TradingView. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, or stocks, this is the foundation every trader needs. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.